Yo, what is up, guys? Gonna be doing another back testing session. Hopefully, I can get better than the 33% this time. We've been doing again 50K, acting like it's an eval. Recording number 2. Like I said, I don't use SMTs, so we're gonna retry this. Gonna randomize this. 2021. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fix everything, and I cut to when it's all good. All right, we're gonna be doing 5 trades again. Let's see what we can do. I need to actually focus on the inverse. I need to look on the other time frames. So first off, we're gonna go on this daily time frame. We're gonna see if there's any targets. So far, we have tapped into this daily gap right here, and we also have a daily gap below. On the 4-hour, we have tapped into this 4-hour gap as well. This is a bullish gap. We have these relative highs up here that we could take, but we are also in a 4-hour bearish gap. Let me fix my time. We're also in this 4-hour, no, bearish gap. I mean, my bad. What are we doing? We're inversing, so showing some clear displacement that we want to reject off this. We have a bunch of low resistance right here, and we have this. Let's see, what is this on? This 4-hour rejection block right here. Now let's see. So what I would like price to do is take this sell side up here, or buy side right here, I mean, and we'll see what happens first. But we have all this low resistance right here, and it looks good. So we just have to wait now. And we edge this up here. We're showing displacement, but let's see. Okay, we've taken the low of this low resistance right here, but we have not touched this rejection block. 7. Looks like we're still bearish, and we have an inverse right here on a 30-second. Let's check. The 30-second we have, okay, clear that we're showing bearish shines now. I'll be taking this to the tip of this rejection block. We'll be risking about 1% of the account. Break even will be at this mitigated gap, this internal mitigated low. And okay, we have or touched that, and we'll break even. All right, next trade, we are on the second one right here. So what do? We rejected off this 4-hour, and currently we still have not touched that daily. We have a 4-hour that we have touched into. That is a bullish gap, and we're currently in this bearish gap right here. But it looks like we might be turning bullish after this. This is a 1-hour. This is in a bearish gap. We got to see. My targets are this daily, and then yeah, I don't see any PD arrays we could tap off unless this 5-minute rejection block right here, unless this holds. And all right here is where I could see this, and we can target the low hanging fruit, which would be down here. Go break even at this internal low that was touched within this 5-minute gap. We should be seeing this some displacement. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to buy in. Wow. Okay. Well, can I go back one? All right, let me go back a minute. Now on this 1-minute chart, place an order right there. Target this gap down here for a 1 to 2 break even. And again, we touch that, we go break even, and we have ran to those lows. Great. That was a great trade. And what could we do after here? To be honest, I'll just leave it like this. I want to trade all 5 days that I have next. So go to the next New York session. Look on the daily. What do we have? We're close to these highs right here. Let me check if this is all-time highs. Doesn't seem, or this seems like these are all-time highs right here. So we could be going towards our all-time highs right now. On the 4-hour charts, we have this 4-hour bullish, and we have any targets? No, it looks like we're going up to this low resistance. So we haven't broke above these at all. So these look nice. The 4-hour on the hourly chart, there I don't see anything right now. This is a 1-hour rejection block right here. On the 30-minute, what do we have? So we inversed, but we are looking bullish still. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna inverse this right now. This 15-minute gap, but there's a bunch of low resistance right here. So we'll see what happens. So what I would like for us to do is to probably sweep these highs, create an inverse, take out these, and then it'll probably continue higher. Okay, we've swept these, and it's not a perfect close, but I'm really confident with this, go to these down here. Because this 4 hourly, the 4 hour has not been touched at all. So I'll be entering in right here. Drop down to the 5 minutes, nothing. And okay, I'd go break even at this first low, and I got stopped out. Let's move on to the next day. So right now we are about 1-to-1, one break even, one loss, and one win. What did we do? So we touched it. So we swept that on the 4 hour chart. We inverse that. We are currently in this 4 hour bullish gap, and we also have a mitigated point right here. Click on the hourly. This hourly is a good rejection block. And what else do we have? A mitigated 1 hour up here. I would like to have either going touch this rejection block, the CE of it, and then going up to this 1 hour. But we'll see what happens. Right now we're chopping around right now. So I would like to see something happen first. And we also have a 30-minute below right here. Either we could take this 30-minute or this hourly. I don't know. Whichever gets taken first, and we could look for the opposite of it. So let's look on a 15-minute. Looks like we barely edged the highs of the 1 minute. We've touched the hourly. See what happens. Seems like we're chopping around right now. We inversed it on the hourly, but we bounced back into this. Yeah. Now we're going back down on the 5 minutes. Anything better? Seems like an iffy trade right here. If we were to enter in, go to this. Yeah. Let's see. We have just inversed it, but still we have this 4 hour internal low. We have you can see this is a point where we could touch back and then rebounds up to go higher. But we'll see. Enter from the 1 minute and go break even at this internal low. And I lost that trade. Unfortunately, I'm pretty trash still. We have one more trade to do, and then we are off. We have made new highs. We're all-time high. We have a 1 hour below here as bullish. What are we doing? We are in this hourly bearish gap. We have respected this bullish hourly gap as well. 30-minute, we're respecting. Okay. Let's see what plays out right here. We touched into this 30-minute gap as well. So hourly gap. Okay. We have touched into this hourly gap. We have lower resistance above. I wouldn't be mad to take this. Would be entering in discount of it, targeting to these lower resistance highs or 1 to 5. Break even. What would my break even be? Yeah, we just reswept that. We have basically, yeah. Oh, and I lost. Was I missing something? I think if I went right there, I would have been fine. But we're off for today. If you like my content, you can find my daily uploads on my TikTok and my Instagram. But yeah, pretty trash day. We go back on the summary. See for today. It was a 25% win rate today. Holy trash. We picked up at 51K. And after that, we've lost every single one after that. Yeah. If you like my content, my trash ass content, go ahead and comment. But all right. Peace out.